हॅलो हाय फ्रेंड्स. आज आपण नोट्समधून पेज नंबर 86 एक्झाम्पल नंबर 62 एक्झाम इयर जुलै 2018 हे आज आपण घेणार आहोत. तर तुमच्यासमोर नोट्स आहेतच, नसतील तर मी फोटो दाखवतो, लिहून घ्या किंवा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समधून लिहा. ओके, तर आता एक्झाम्पल समोर असेल. फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग ट्रायल बॅलन्स ऑफ मेसर्स पाटील अँड देसाई you are required to prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2020 and balance sheet as on that date. Trial balance given separately, balances, debit balances left hand side and credit balances right hand side. तर हिडन ॲडजस्टमेंट्स नाहीत, शिवाय रिटर्न्स पण नाही. ॲडजस्टमेंट्स फर्स्ट, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक 61,000, effect separate trading credit and balance sheet assets. Then goods distributed as a free samples were rupees 3,000, trading credit and P&L debit as a advertisement. कोणताही अकाउंट मार्क करू नका, सेपरेट इफेक्ट्स. Then outstanding salaries, marked salaries, okay, add to salary and liabilities. Then provide reserve for doubtful debts at a 5% on sundry debtors. Mark sundry debtors. Then depreciate machinery at a 5%. Mark machinery account. Okay. First account machinery account. मार्क झाला असेलच तर फॉर्मॅट ड्रॉ करून घ्या, लगेच आपण सॉल्व करूया. ओके, फॉर्मॅट कंप्लीट ड्रॉ केला. आता आपण पोस्टिंग करूया. फर्स्ट क्रेडिट बॅलन्सेस, कॅपिटल अकाउंट्स पाटील 2 lakhs and Desai 1,50,000. Now credit balances, capital account credit side, by balance brought down 2 lakh and 1,50,000. Sells trading credit by sells 3,30,000. Sundry creditors liability, capital study space. Sundry creditors 1,05,000. Then bank loan also liability. $40,000. Okay, now debit balances. First machinery asset, machinery 1,40,000 in a single line. Furniture asset, furniture 80,000 outer. Then coal, gas and water. That means factory expenses, direct expenses, manufacturing expenses, trading debit. Trading debit first to opening stock, then second line to purchases, then wages and salary, and then coal, gas and water. Coal, gas and water 4,300. London bidding assets. London bidding 1,20,000. Then purchases 2,32,000. Purchases 2,32,000. Postage and telegram indirect expenses. Postage and telegram, 2 lines blank, 2. Postage and telegram 2,200. Then export duty, export, that means indirect expense, export duty 15,500. Wages and salaries, wages combined heading, first head wages, direct expenses, to wages and salaries 31,000. Okay. Rent and taxes combined heading, indirect expenses, to rent and taxes 7,200. Cash in hand asset, cash in hand 58,000. Freight, only freight, that means direct expenses, trading debit, to freight 6,200. Then prepaid rent, any prepaid, that means asset, prepaid rent 3,600. Sundry debtors, assets. Sundry debtors 76,000. Inner single line. Salary, indirect expenses, 2 salaries, salaries 4,200. Opening stock 39,000. And then discount, debit, discount and debit. To discount 5,800. Okay. Now adjustments. First adjustment, closing stock 61,000. First effect, trading credit by closing stock 61,000. And assets, Second, goods distributed as a free samples were rupees 3,000. Goods goods distributed by goods distributed goods distributed 3000. आपण फुकट मध्ये वस्तू वाढतोय. पर्पज ॲडव्हर्टाइजमेंट. सेकंड इफेक्ट पे ऑन डेबिट टू ॲडव्हर्टाइजमेंट ब्रॅकेट गुड्स 3000 goods distributed. Then outstanding salary. Add outstanding 900, that means total salary paid plus payable 5100, and outstanding salary second effect liabilities $900. Okay. Then RDD 5% on sundry debtors less 5% RDD. 5% RDD. Amount 5%. 76,000 चा 5%. 76,000 into 5 upon 100. That means just calculate 760 into 5. किंवा 7,610%. 1 digit सोडला तर ही अमाउंट 10% असेल त्याच्या हाफ 3,800. Okay. Then less from debtors and P&L debit to RDD 3,800. Okay. बघा चेक करून. Then depreciate machinery 5%. 5% machinery depreciation. Less 5% depreciation on 1,40,000. 5%, that means into 5 upon 100. Okay, that means 7,000. 1,33,000 balance. Depreciation less from machinery. An asset decreased in value or depreciation, that means loss, to depreciation on machinery 7,000. Okay, चेक करा पोस्टिंग्स आणि टोटल करून घ्या. Okay, first close the trading, calculate GP, that means credit total less debit total. Credit total 3,94,000. Tally 3,94,000. That means to GPCD credit total. How to calculate? Credit minus debit 3,94,000 less debit total 3,12,500. Difference 81,500. चेक करा. क्रेडिट टोटल 3,94,000 क्रेडिट टोटल लेस डेबिट टोटल 3,12,500. 39,000 पासून 6,200 पर्यंत म्हणजे डिफरन्स दोन्हीतला 81,500. सेम ब्रॉड down by GPBD 81,500. And now same calculate net profit. Credit total 81,500. Single amount 81,500. That means to net profit, same credit minus debit, debit total, and credit single, that means credit minus debit. 81,500 credit total less debit total 5,100 पासून 7,000 पर्यंत 49,600 येते. ओके, आणि that difference 31,900. रेशो दिलेला नसेल, ऑप्शन असेल तर इक्वल हाफ हाफ पाटील आणि देसाई. That means half of 31,900. 31,900. That means 1/2, 1/2. Equal share half of. That means 15,950. Equal share half of. Same profit credit to partners capital 15,950 by net profit 15,950. 15,950. Okay, and now close the capital balances. Credit total to 15,950. First partner tally total 150 plus 15, 165,950. 165,950 and 215,950. And same balances to 15,950. डेबिट ला अमाउंट काहीच नाही. 215,950, 165,950. आणि सेम कॅपिटल बॅलन्स लायबिलिटी साइड कॅपिटल पाटील अँड देसाई 215,950. and 165,950. That means total capital 381,900. Okay, correct. And then balance sheet tally total. Both side, liability side total, asset side total. 3,81,900 plus 1,05,000 plus 40,000 plus 900. That means 527,800. And same asset side, 1,33,000 plus 80,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 58,000 plus 3,600. 70,200 and 61,527,800. Check the totals. Tally. Write out असेल नोट करा. ओके, स्टार्टिंग पासून डिटेल मध्ये सॉल्व केलंय. काय डाऊट असेल तर नोट करा. टोटल्स वगैरे चेक करून घ्या. आणि काही डाऊट असेल तर विचारा.